Welcome to possibly one of the cleanest unboxings of our channel till date. This is the Honor 9N device and we are unboxing this in 2019, where this phone was launched at the mid of 2018. I don't know the exact date, but I'm sure if it was launched on the mid of 2018. The initial impression of the box is same as the Honor 9 Lite. There is no change in the device between the Honor 9 Lite and the Honor 9N. There are some minor differences which will be shown at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. Now this is the box, and let me open it and show you how the phone is inside. This is a 3GB variant and a 32GB ROM, and this phone has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera front and back and a glassy black finish, and that is the finish I was more impressed with for the Honor 9 Lite device. But this Honor 9N with the black variant might not be so much attractive like the blue, but this is different, right? Every time we cannot buy the same blue color on and on. So let's try this. Okay, let me show you the phone properly. These are the IMEI barcodes, and let me open up the box and see what else is there. Oh, the case. Yes, this is the case that was given for the Honor 9 Lite device, and the same case was given in the Honor 9N device. Now let me open the case and see how it is. The same plastic case, and that's it. What else is there in this case? The hard one. These are the paperwork or the instruction manuals, whatever you call, and this is the power cable and power supply. I mean the power brick. Some letters, some tiny letters. But I'll tell you, this is a 10-watt charger, and this is the power cable with the micro USB. I'm not so disappointed with the micro USB, because this is a price range where micro USB is so good. And let me remove these stickers and let me have the impression of the unboxing first. So yeah, I removed these stickers, and I think I have to power this on. The glossy black finish is not so good compared to the blue one. I like the blue one much better because the blue reflecting surface is a bit good, or maybe that's the best reflecting color I've ever seen. But I'm quite bored with blue now, so I shifted to black. Maybe the next time it's in another color, I don't know. We have to keep on trying different colors because blue is now old. I am fed up with blue, and let it power on so that I can get the impression of how smooth this device is. This is the setup that I have to complete. Let me skip every process so that this doesn't become so late for making the video, and I have to try. The first feature that I'm really impressed of with this Honor 9N is its display. This is a display that is quite better than the Honor 9 Lite. Of course, this device is an upgraded version of that Honor 9 Lite, but I did not think that this would be the case. The display is quite better than Honor 9 Lite, and this has quite colorful imagery with deeper blacks and sharper whites. And the viewing angles in the sunlight are really good. Maybe one of the better viewing angles I've ever seen. And there are some differences with the cameras from these two devices, the Honor 9 Lite and the Honor 9N, but ultimately Honor 9N has a better camera when compared to the Honor 9 Lite. This is the Honor 9 Lite from my previous unboxing. If you have not seen, see that video. Now let's compare the fingerprints of these two devices. This could be one of the ultimate comparisons of our channel, and I suppose this is the same. There is no difference. But when you look closely, the Honor 9 Lite has slight an edge over the Honor 9N in this fingerprint test, but ultimately both are equal. Though the Honor 9 Lite looks more speedy-ish compared to the Honor 9N, you can buy whatever device you want. And the physical display, the physical orientation of these two devices are quite the same, with the same kind of finishing, same kind of length, same kind of breadth, same kind of thickness. The cameras being placed at the same spot. The only difference is right at the notch that you see on the Honor 9N, and the Honor 9 Lite lacks that notch, but that doesn't matter. Even with the single camera, the Honor 9N performs the better face recognition compared to the Honor 9 Lite. I prefer you to buy the Honor 9N when compared to the Honor 9 Lite because both of them are ranged at the same price tag. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.